many recipes you know only require 2 ingredients? I'll wait. Okay, well, I got you because this 2-ingredient lentil wrap is not only plant-based, vegan, and gluten-free, but it is so simple to make. I'm Gabrielle Reyes, and it's the Colorful Home Cooking Show. This video is sponsored by the One Great Vegan shop. Go to shop.onegreatvegan.com to find everything you need to get colorful in the kitchen. We got aprons, cutting boards, bags, and so much more. So go online now to get your glow on. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 2-ingredient lentil wraps. Now, recipes like this have been around for thousands of years, and there's a couple reasons why. Number 1, they are super simple to create. Number 2, absolutely delicious. And number 3, accessible to anyone across the world.
My loves, I'm so excited for you to cook up this vibrantly vegan recipe. Grab your lentils, water, and all of your favorite seasonings and spices. And the first thing you're gonna do is soak your lentils in water overnight. If you're in a rush, that's all good. You can soak them for 3 hours at least. Now let's chop into all of our vegetables. Y'all see this juicy tomato? You know I love to add a little bit of the rainbow into all of my recipes. Also, this avocado is a wonderful healthy fat that's creamy, decadent, and delicious. Be sure to add in whatever vegetables you enjoy. Now to make your lentil wraps, add in the soaked lentils with the water, as well as seasonings, spices, fresh herbs, and blend it up.
It's blending time, AKA dance time.
With a little bit of oil in a hot pan, cook up your lentil batter just like pancakes. Also, be sure to let it bubble up and cook on one side before you give it a flip. That way, it'll cook perfectly. Y'all see this sauce right here? This is my perfect pesto sauce that you can find in my perfect pesto sandwich. And I'm also adding in tomatoes and black salt, or also known as kala namak. All you gotta do is stack it high with everything you love and drizzle over that extra sauce to make it boss. Now that our feast is ready to go, I love to wrap it in some parchment paper or a reusable towel as well. That way it keeps everything together when I take those big bites and dig on in.
Lentil wraps, simple yet you know it's all that. You know this is all kinds of delicious because we have those fresh veggies in there and we cooked it up. Y'all, it is incredibly vibrant and so healthy for you. Now all we gotta do is get ourselves a bite of everything that is so right. Whoa, y'all, there is heartiness up in here. It's so simple to create, but yet it has a bunch of incredible flavor in there. That seasoning and spice and fresh herb we add in there, y'all, it makes this recipe sing. Now, all you gotta do if you want more recipes just like this, like, subscribe, follow, do all that goodness. Turn on your notifications if you want to get your glow on. And also be sure to check out my website and my blog where I have epic recipes just like this one, my loves. Dig in and enjoy. Big bites only. Big bites only.